Open the glove box. Remove the access panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the filter tray. Remove the filter from the tray. Install your new filter into the tray with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Once installed, insert the tray into the housing and clip the housing panel back on. Reinstall the center panel. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.